Hello there and welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial. In this video I'm going to go over how to mirror a part or a body. The very first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we're in the Features tab in the top left. Once we're in the Features tab, we're going to make our way along here and select Mirror. The first thing we're going to have to select is the actual face or plane that we want to mirror around. I could drop this down and select one of the default planes that comes in the part file, the front, top or right plane, but in this case I actually want to select this face here. The next thing we want to do is we want to select what we actually want to mirror. So we could mirror a feature, we could mirror a face, but in this case we want to mirror the entire body. So with bodies to mirror selected, we're going to select the actual body itself. As you can see, I'm being shown a preview in yellow. This is really helpful and it helps you understand whether you've actually selected the right part or is going to give you the correct desired effect. So once we have this selected, we're going to make sure that we have all the correct options set at the bottom. The main one to pay attention to is merge solids. What this does is when you mirror the part, where they're touching, it will merge into one solid body. If we do not have this selected, it will still mirror the part and it will look very similar, but we'll end up with multiple bodies. For the sake of this example, I'm going to leave merge solids checked. We're going to go ahead and press the green check mark, and as you can see, I have one solid body. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have any suggestions on other tutorials you or other people might find helpful, please email me. My email is in the description below. Thank you again for watching.